Tortellini, small, round pasta parcels filled with ricotta, blue gorgonzola and parmesan cheese. The pasta itself has to be lovely and thin. And what we want to do is be able to taste the cheese for it not to be waterlogged, otherwise it's not going to be very nice at all.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Like so many people, I've been denied a holiday this year. The memories of our holidays, we really cling on to them. So often, it's the food, it's the dish of a holiday that brings back so many memories. Perhaps the food that I'm served in the MasterChef kitchen will just take me abroad, take me somewhere warm and sunny. But, you know, their holiday dreams could be my MasterChef nightmare.
Michelle loves the food of Spain, and the food of Spain we've seen for her so far has been absolutely delicious.
I'm hoping for more of those big Spanish flavours today. I think William will love her.
I have stuck with the Spanish because Spanish food isn't just tapas and quick prawns and rice dishes. I would love the judges to see that I'm stepping up my game.
Stan, tell us your dish, please.
So I'm making Thai lettuce wraps filled with chicken and prawns, skewered pork in a coconut marinade, and a papaya salad.
The street food of Thailand is vibrant, and it has 4 distinct flavours: sweet, sour, salty and hot. It shouldn't be some sort of tourism warm. It should be vibrant, spicy, hot.
So what are you cooking?
I am cooking a dish inspired by a holiday I took to Rome. So I'm making Italian 3-cheese and walnut tortellini with Jerusalem artichoke puree and crisps and a parsley oil. I'd never really eaten much fresh pasta before I'd gone to Italy, and I basically came home and I bought myself a pasta maker straight away, and I've not stopped using it since.
What emotions, what feelings are you hoping you're going to inspire in us?
Well, I would like to say that when you eat it, I would like to think you'd feel like you were in Italy. But I hope the pasta's good quality and it takes you to a happy place.
Well, good luck. I look forward to tasting it.
Thank you so much.
Tortellini, small, round pasta parcels filled with ricotta, blue gorgonzola and parmesan cheese. The pasta itself has to be lovely and thin. And what we want to do is be able to taste the cheese for it not to be waterlogged, otherwise it's not going to be very nice at all.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Are they ruined?
I think some of them are a little bit burnt, and I think the hob was left on.
Right. How many of those can you save?
How long do I have?
15 minutes. You might have to reduce the size of your
1,
portions.
2, 3. I'm just going to make some more.
Don't run out of time.
Oh, what a nightmare. I just put the tray on the hob just for space, but it turned on, so it made it through the plate that they were sitting on. Just going to try and make some more in time.
What do you think of our 5 cooks in general?
We've gone around the world. We've had different flavours and ideas. They've got really good skills. I could see the disappointment in some of them, that things went wrong today, that they just really that frustrated them because they know they're better than that.
William, as always, thank you very much for the brief.
Thanks so much.
Thanks very much.
Okay,
Pleasure,
bye.
mate.
Bye.
See you later.
Our first semi-finalist is Mike. Our second semi-finalist is Stefan.